Hey, I'm Jan Bernier, founder of AnniQ. Our AI assistant, EVO, is transforming how busy entrepreneurs and small businesses manage their time. Imagine spending 16, even 40 hours a week on content creation and engagement, hours that could be used to grow the business. EVO takes that burden away, automating content, boosting engagement, and giving users back their time. We launched at $300 a month for small businesses with higher plans and for bigger challenge. And already we have our first 50 paying clients. With just 300 customers more, we'll reach our first million in revenue. EVO's subscription model is simple, scalable, and set up for a strong recurring income. Invest in AnniQ to bring this game-changing solution to the millions of entrepreneurs eager to reclaim their time and energy. EVO isn't just smart, it's the future of time-saving content tools. Thanks.